Bio Oil Skincare Oil, natural, serum for scars and stretch marks, face and body moisturizer for dry skin, with organic jojoba oil and vitamin E with natural. Helps improve appearance of acne scars and stretch marks, clinically proven to help repair skin damage, stretch marks, and scars from pregnancy, surgery, injury, acne, C-section, aging, and more. Bio Oil is non-comedogenic and a great acne scar treatment for face. Packed with powerful natural oils, natural, anti-inflammatory formula made with plant-based oils such as jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, rosehip oil, pomegranate seed oil, and sunflower oil hydrates skin and helps improves the appearance of scars and stretch marks. 100% all-natural ingredients, safe for all skin types, this oil contains no added fragrance. This clean beauty product is made from all-natural, plant-based ingredients with no artificial additives or chemicals. Helps smooth uneven skin tones. For light and dark skin tones, our natural formula helps improve the appearance of uneven skin tones. Packed with moisturizing oils, Bio Oil helps keep the skin soft by locking in essential moisture without clogging pores. Multi-use body oil. Not only does this skincare oil help to improve uneven skin tone, acne scars, and dry skin on the face, it's also a natural, non-toxic lip moisturizer, hair oil, and body moisturizer. Safe for use during pregnancy to help prevent stretch marks. Top reviews from the United States. Made my surgery scar disappear. I had throat surgery in October and have been using Bio Oil 2-3 times a day on it. It has healed so well and I will not have a scar. This is the best oil on the market for incisions. I highly recommend and would buy again, but most likely won't have to. You only need to apply a small amount and a bottle will last you a long time.